What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I've started recording here on site. It's a bit windy. You can see from my hair. And maybe from the sound of one of the GoPros. I have here the DJI mic. And maybe I'll let you hear how it sounds, how it is able to cancel the wind noise. Show you the scene. I have some nice sunset over there, and our propellers are spinning against the wind. Right, I'm gonna make this quick. We have 1 hour less of nighttime because we are changing time zones. So yeah, there's 1 hour less for me. Okay, so I have to think about landing because the wind is coming from the port side, and it's a bit stronger than usual. So maybe I would have to go around the boat and land from here. By doing that, the drone will be able to keep its attitude or pitch forward, which will be easy to control, rather than coming from this side, and I would end up facing upwards to counteract the effect of the wind. I hope that you understand that one. So it will be a difficult situation because going in with a back tilt, you'll not be able to see your direction where you might hit. I might hit something. Okay, enough talking. That's it. Oh, hold on. Let me turn on my radio first.
Greetings, Patrick's FPV. Welcome to Tango 2.
Wow, what is going on?
Greetings, Patrick's FPV. Welcome to Tango 2. Switch warning. Engines disarm air mode.
Okay, that's much better.
Horizon mode.
Okay, my goggles on. Let me plug in the drone. I have a green on the Tango. All propeller spinning.
Engine on. Engines disarm.
That's good. I'm gonna do a hover test with the wind.
Engine arm.
That's a lot of forward tilt.
Engines
So I will have to manage that. Okay. Ropes tight. Screws. ST60. Propeller hitting something? No. Okay, GoPro tilt. Should be at about 15-20 degrees. I'm gonna hold it tight. I'm gonna do another hover test.
arm. Engines disarm.
That's it. That's it. Okay. Goggles recording in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Looking good. Goggle battery 16 volts Drone 24.8. Let's do this. Just gonna check the temperatures. Is that acceptable? Hold on, let me check my VTX antenna. Right. Good, looking good. One more thing, photo. Take photo. Enough.
Engines on. Engines disarm.
It's a bit sketchy. Just making sure it's rolling. Wind picking up.
Engines on.
Oh.
Engines disarm.
I gotta check my stick cam. It's not down. Okay.
Engines on.
Alright. So all the wind is coming from the port side. Okay, what do we have today? Nothing, just the sun setting and some strong winds. I would like to get some overhead shots of the ship. Maybe I can frame grab a photo. Yeah, let's see. How about this one? Looking good. Maybe with the sun in the background is better. So I need to go forward a bit. Battery going down, 22.7. 1 minute 40 seconds on the flight time. LQ 100. Okay, I'm returning back. Yep. Okay, that's good. That's good. I'm getting pushed to the left, but this shot is looking good. I'm gonna try to keep it. Oh. My video signal dropped to 1 bar. Let's try to go a bit here. Back. Alright, that looks fine. Oh, there's a vacuum. I don't know if you noticed it. As soon as I went behind, then suddenly I got a push, a forward push. And if whoever you are trying to fly behind the ship with this kind of winds, you are gonna feel that sudden push That's being generated from the air flowing on the other sides of the ship. 22.4 on the LiPo. This is gonna be a quick flight. Let's try to surf a bit without the drone touching the water, of course. Right. Need to be careful. Sometimes there are minor splashes coming like those. Alright, time to go back. Time to go back. Vacuum coming. There you... Yep. Okay. Going this way.
Entrance to zone.
Good. That was quick. Okay. That's enough for now. I'm gonna unplug the battery. Alright. Okay, that was good. Pretty quick.
Telemetry lost.
Thanks again for watching, guys. If you did like this video, try to check out my other videos as well. And you can press the like button. It will help the video get pushed so that others can see it in their feed. And it will help give me more exposure for my channel. Thank you very much. I don't know if you can see the sunset. This one's a pretty good one. I'm gonna film with my phone. Maybe I can catch something. I'm gonna try to film with my phone. Full-time zoom. Oh, look at that. Guys, hope you enjoyed this one. See you next time. Bye bye. Clean our slippers. Only ones to guys. A sign for cleaning your hair. She's gonna get mad at you. Okay.